Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Even If by Mercy Me. Right now I'm going to play the song for you, and then after I play it I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
They say sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Right now I'm losing back. I stood on this stage night after night, reminding the broken it'll be alright. But right now, oh right now, I just can't. It's easy to sing when there's nothing to bring you down. What will I say when I'm held to the flame like I am right now? I know you're able and I know you can save through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. Say it only takes a little faith to move a mountain. For good thing, a little faith is all I have right now. But God, when you choose to leave mountains unmovable, give me the strength to be able to sing. It is well with my soul. I know you're able and I know you can save through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. I know the sorrow and I know the hurt would all go away if you just say the word. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. You've been faithful, you've been good all my days. Jesus, I will cling to you, come what may, 'cause I know you're able. I know you can. I know you're able and I know you can see through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. I know the sorrow and I know the hurt would all go away if you just say the word. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone.
We're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family. We're going to be using the C chord, the A minor chord, the F over C chord, and the G chord. For all of these chords, we need to start our strumming on the A string, not the E string. The only exception is the G chord. For the G chord, we're going to use all 6 strings. For strumming, we're going to use the swing drive pattern, which is a 6-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 6 down strums and then an up strum after beat 6, and then we're going to repeat that pattern. We also want to put emphasis on beats 1 and 4. So at the beginning and then halfway through, we want to put our emphasis. So let me play that strum pattern for you. I'm just going to hold the C chord and play through the strum pattern slowly so that you can hear what it should sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. All right, take care.